Did you know that over 90% of the world's data was created in just the last 2 years? Now imagine the power of that data if auditors could tap into it fully. So, here's the big question. Is traditional auditing becoming obsolete in the era of data analytics? Welcome to the GRC Sentinel. Today, we're exploring the game-changing role of data analytics in auditing. As businesses become more data-driven, the need for faster, smarter, and more accurate audit processes is more urgent than ever. Data analytics is no longer just a nice-to-have, it's becoming a critical component of effective audit strategies. Let's break down what that means and why you should care. Let's face it, traditional audits have limits. They're time-consuming, prone to human error, often rely on sampling instead of full population testing. This leaves room for missed anomalies, undetected fraud, and compliance risks. Plus, in today's fast-paced environment, audit cycles are shortening while the volume of data explodes. Relying solely on manual spreadsheets or static testing just isn't sustainable. Now let's bring data analytics into the picture. It's the tool that's transforming how audits are done. Audit teams around the world are now integrating tools that offer real-time insights, automated anomaly detection, continuous auditing. Some of the most impactful technologies include AIinAudit for data testing and controls evaluation, Power BI and Tableau for visual dashboards, Python and R for custom scripts and automation, AI and machine learning to predict risk patterns before they emerge. Imagine being able to run full population tests, flag exceptions instantly, and visualize trends instead of digging through rows of data. Let's look at a real-world example. A global manufacturing firm switched from manual audits to a data-driven approach using analytics tools. Within 1 year, they reduced audit time by 40%, detected $1.2 million in previously missed duplicate payments, and increased stakeholder confidence in the audit process. That's not just efficiency, that's transformation. It empowered auditors to focus on insights, not just checklists. Data analytics is reshaping the role of internal auditors, from reactive checkers to proactive advisors. Audits become more insightful, faster, and more accurate. And with evolving tech like AI and blockchain, the potential is only growing. So the next time someone says, auditing is boring, tell them it's becoming one of the most data-savvy professions out there. Have you started using data analytics in your audit work? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to the GRC Sentinel for more insights.